Father in heaven, you said clean what you want. A clean Mercedes SL. You brought that to me in a dream. Cleaned the Navigator. Cleaned everything you want. I cleaned the Navigator. Took the snow off. And I cleaned the Harley Davidson. I just didn't want to feel like jumping on it. Cleaned it. Clean everything you want. Now when it comes to sports cars, I probably go inside. My sports car will never see snow. That's why I didn't clean the vet. My sports car will never see snow. It will be in the garage. That's where the car is at. Only the Benz, the Lincoln, and the Ford comes outside. Okay? Clean everything you want. You promised me this. I already had Ford Expedition, so I got to go up higher to the Lincoln. My father used to drive my father's Ford pickup, so I might as well get a 250. Clean everything you want. And I'm going to give it to you. You clean what you want, and I'm going to give it to you. Now, here. I didn't clean you because you will see snow. This is a convertible. Convertible Camaro. I love you. I do love you. But you will never see snow. Never. You ain't made to see snow. You will never see it. Okay? Why didn't I clean Chevy? I don't know. I don't know. It's BMW. I will clean because it's for my daughter. But it's convertible. Convertible will never see snow. Clean what you want. If this was a... See? It's a convertible. That's a convertible. It will never see snow. So, I give the update to my co-workers. I told them, look, you see this? This is ice. That's all ice. It's all ice. It needs to be treated. When that sun comes out, it's going to get twice as worse. You got to jump on it. You got to jump on it. You have to jump on this stuff. It's just like you on grading. You got a load of stone coming in. You got piles of stone coming in, and it's 10 degrees outside. You got to knock the stone down. It's going to freeze. You got to level it off. You got to get to it. I got to go to Borders Books again to get an electrician book. The welding truck is a go. I should have cleaned you off. You know that? Conversion van. Should have cleaned you off. Okay, welding truck. I need this top for my sheets of aluminum. I need aluminum to go on top of here. When I go pick it up, I need it a little bit smaller. I need my crane here. I need my welder here, plasma cutter. I need a generator. Gotta be a crew cab. Gotta be a crew cab. So, it's starting to snow again? I think it is a little bit. Keep the Mercedes, Lincoln, and Ford for me. I don't want to see Lincoln, Ford, Mercedes crash in a ditch. Because you said clean what you want. Now, when it comes to business, then I come clean Chevy and Dodge. But for me, we don't touch the Ford Super Duty. We don't touch Mercedes. We don't touch BMW. And we don't touch Lincoln. Remember, Elon Musk bought part of Ford. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. You said electric, Tesla, don't touch Ford. Satan, do not touch Ford. I'm coming to get you. I'm coming to get you.